Hi, I am Rayhan. I am working with Unity to develop my game. Now I am trying to implement new function to my player. I have been trying to animate my player at different position. When he on the tiger, he will ride it, and when he jump from one tiger to another, then there will be another animation. I have been trying to attach rigid body with different animated character. This week is very much hard for me. I have been trying with models and also with programs. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sardar Muktadir ibn Mohsin. This week, for our project Scape Sundarban, I have helped my team work with terrain. Terrain is basically the ground where our player will move and interact on.
Hello, I am Naurin Azad from Group 5. In this week, as our meet was running, so we couldn't work so much, I helped Sabbir Ahmed in the map designing sector. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hasibur, and for this week I am learning Blender to help Sardar Muktadir on the 3D models. Up till now I have learned how to make some things using Blender, and I hope by the end of the week I'll be capable enough to help Sardar Muktadir on the models that we are using in the game. Thank you.